Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that everyone is enjoying their holiday season, whatever it is that you celebrate. I hope you're enjoying it to the fullest. I am here to share with you what I got for Christmas. So let's just get into it so that I can show you because I'm so freaking excited. Yeah. So, what I got for Christmas is a camera. Yeah, I got a camera. Very own camera. I have been recording my videos on my iPhone 7 Plus, and I edit on my phone, I record on my phone, I do everything on my phone. So now my life has changed because I got a camera. I got the Sony CyberShot DSC HX80. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So let's go ahead and open this so I can show you. It is not wrapped because my sister, thanks Kati, she set it up for me. I'm not too techie, so I don't really know what it is that she did. She did something, but she set it up. She said, I think, like the date and all that jazz. So in the box we get the manuals in different languages. I gotta go ahead and read that so that I can know the ins and outs of this camera. And then we get the plug-in, the charger plug thing, you know. We also have the charging cable. We need that to charge. It looks like this, it looks like this battery you charge in the camera. Because it doesn't have one of those docks for the battery, so I can just assume that you charge it in the camera, right? Yeah. So this is it. My new camera. The best part of this is that it has a flip out screen. This is just what I wanted because I need to see what I'm doing when I'm recording, or now that I'm gonna take like really good selfies on this. But I want to see what I'm doing. I want to see myself, make sure that everything that I want to be in focus is in focus. But yes, so it has a flip out screen. We have the little menu control things over here in the back. And let's go ahead and turn it on just so you can see. Ooh. See, it's on. Like I said, flip out screen. Yeah, so, and it has like, I think it's like Wi-Fi enabled so that I can go ahead and send my phone, I think there's like an app that you can download, and that way I think that's how you sync your pictures and stuff. So yeah, so on the bottom here is where the battery goes and the memory card, I'm sure. Oh look, it comes with a oh, she probably got me a 16 gig. Oh cool, I thought I would have to buy one. But I mean, I will buy a bigger one, obviously, because, you know, I mean, I don't know. I'm the worst tech person. I don't know how much a 16 gig will hold, but I guess we'll see. So, oh, how does this? Oh, close it. Okay, got it. Yeah, so on the top here is where you take the pictures, and the little dial is for the different settings. Like I said, I still have to read the manual and kind of see like what this camera is able to do, like what it does. I have watched a couple of videos so far, so I've been, you know, like kind of like trying to learn what it does and what I can do with it and all that it's capable of doing, this little guy. And on the top here is the flash, pops out, and then I think there's a viewfinder right here. Oh, it turned on. Oh. Okay, good to know. So when you open the viewfinder, it turns on. Interesting. Wow, cool. Yeah, no, but like I said, I mean, I still have to read all the manual. Oh, interesting. So you open the viewfinder and it turns on, and you close it and it turns off. Good to know. Yeah, but like I said, I still have to read the manual and see exactly how all this stuff works. I want to make sure that I know everything about the camera so that I can, of course, use it to its full potential. You know what that means, right? 2019 is about to get real. We're about to have awesome new content, and by we I mean me and you guys, because I'm here to share my ideas and my stuff with you. So we are going to have a very good year. I cannot wait to film with this. I cannot wait to see how different the video is, like from the phone to like the camera, which I'm sure it's going to be awesome. Like, I'm pretty sure it's going to be really good. Yeah, so like I said, we're official now. We have a camera. It's going to be good. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And of course, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on social media. I'm everywhere. All the info is linked down below. Till the next video.